What is up, guys? It's Dan, Crypto Camacho, and guys, we just saw Bitcoin fall off a cliff earlier today. It was over about 4,000, and it just suddenly dropped like out of the blue to about 3,500, little less actually, yeah, around 3,500, and we don't know what's going to happen. So what is going on with Bitcoin? This is the day chart. Let me zoom out on the 3-day chart a little bit. The market is not doing great. BTC is suffering. BTC continues to go down. Are we going to test levels again at the lower 3,000 marks? Are we going to go below 3,000? Time will tell, but it does look like it's bearish all over the board. So be careful, guys. Some other coins to take a look at right now. If you look at Bitcoin Cash SV, it also completely fell off a cliff today. You could see this right here. Spectra called that downturn. I'm on a 1-day chart right now. And I don't know if it's going to continue to go down or if we're going to see an uptick here relatively soon. I actually drew this little yellow line. But yesterday I sold my entire position of Bitcoin Cash SV because I knew the sideways charts for so long, and remember, this is a day chart. The sideways markets for so long got me just really uneasy, uncomfortable. I felt there was a dip going to come, and I literally sold everything maybe a couple hours right before the drop, maybe a little longer than that, maybe a half a day before the drop. So I got in there right at the right time, relatively speaking, right? But I'm looking for a bounce, and I don't know where exactly that will be, but I thought it would be at this yellow line right here at about 73 approximately. Looks like we may, actually, it looks like we may, let's see here. We may see a bounce starting. Hard to say at the moment. I am on the day chart. But is this going to continue to go down? I think if it is going to continue to go down, the next area of support would be about $68, about $68.20, around that mark. Down from there, you go to about $63 for the next support level, and then just kind of down from there around 60, 58, 60 level, right? So I'm looking for strength to be built up on this chart to indicate a bull run or a bounce off of this drop here. Spectro indicator is lighting up fully. You see green arrows all over the place. We see an A alpha sign over here, which is a great sign to buy. We don't see that alpha sign quite yet, but we do see a number of green arrows over here lighting up, meaning that it could be a good time to buy. And you can see that we may be turning the corner here. If I turn off Spectro right here, and if I just get rid of the volume, you can see I don't think the volume is going to be quite high enough, really, if you look at it. I mean, this is a 4-hour chart now. Volume is not significant, although it is going up, right? It's going up. We got 3 hours left of this 4-hour candle. It is going up. We'll see how it goes up, right? But if this kind of zags up like this, it's going to fall off a cliff, guys. If it starts to kind of circular go up like that and confirm that there is enough volume and there is enough strength, then we could see an uptrend. I would definitely cross-check this with MACD and RSI indicators, which I'm not showing right here. But I am looking for the Spectro chart to light up the alpha sign. This cloud right here, the Spectro cloud right here, is telling me that if there is a bounce, it's likely to go up to about $80, right? Up to about the top of that Spectro cloud, that green cloud here. It'll go up to about $80. So if there is a bounce, I would look at it around that level. Although I would cross-check that with other indicators, because on Spectro, I will say that the Spectro clouds on cryptocurrency charts, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but it is a very good indicator to at least use to have a benchmark, right, or a baseline of where you want to target when there is a bounce, right? Because you always want to be prepared for where the bounce is going to go. So anyway, that's Bitcoin SV. One other quick updated chart I wanted to show you. Actually, I'll show you that on a different video real quickly here, but I wanted to give you a quick update on BTC and on Bitcoin Cash SV, or I guess BSV at this point. Anyway, guys, look at the volume. Look for the volume to increase here. We still could see another downturn. I'm thinking there could be another sideways market here for a little bit, and then we'll see another downturn a bit before a bounce. So anyway, that's my thoughts on the latest crypto movements today. We're in the bear zone. Be careful out there, guys. Good luck.